Alright guys, I'm back with my dad. He's gonna tell me how to paint this.
Yeah, well, we're going to finish our table project here, and Eli's been helping me out, and I thank you so much for that, bud. And Eli's always a good helper. But we started on this table project here. It was just an ordinary table that we had, and we wanted to change the color to it.
We had it for a while.
We have had it for a while. And as you know, coffee tables, they'll get some wear and tear on it, scratches and dings. So we decided to sand the whole thing down and restain it. So that's what we did here. The first video, we kind of explained how we went through the sanding process. But this last process here is we're going to continue putting a coat of polyurethane on it. And what we've been doing is we're using a brush method. And I like using this polyurethane here. It's Varathane, and it's triple thick. And can you read that word?
No. Polyurethane.
Polyurethane. Big word for the day, right?
Yeah.
So, but it dries 3 times faster. It goes on 3 times thick. It's great stuff. I love using it. You can get it at Home Depot. It's about $35 for a little can like this, but it's well worth the purchase. And so I've already showed Eli a little bit on how to do this.
It looks like milk.
And it does. So you want to show us how to do it and kind of walk us through what you're doing? Okay, go ahead, bud.
Do you want to hold
Yeah, I'll hold the can. Yep. Because teamwork
makes a dream work.
That's right. So what are you doing?
I'm just going to slightly do it like that. And very gentle. Very gentle. I don't want to mess up the table.
Do you want to use long strokes or short strokes?
Long.
Yeah, you want to. If you get puddles like that, is that good?
No.
So what do? You
gotta do this.
Yep, just keep working. Very good. Very good. What about the ridges?
It looks like misty, kind of.
What about the ridges in the brush strokes? Is that okay?
No.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Like you'll see, there's ridges in here from the brush strokes, but because this has a self-leveling formula in it, that will lay flat as it dries and as it cures. So here, get some more on there. Come down here.
I love spending time with my dad. That's
I love spending time with you.
Time of my life.
Get over here. Yep. And we've got plenty of drop cloths down in here so we don't make a mess on the floor.
Yeah, a lot. Like we have like 2.
So make sure you get that part there.
Yep.
And as you can look across it when you're in your workplace, you can see the light and the glare, and that'll kind of give you an idea of, you know, areas that can use a little more. But you want to take your brush like Eli's doing and try to move that across the surface there and give a consistency across it. You don't want a thick puddle here and then barely have any over here. So you want to try to get a really good consistency all the way across the surface that you're going to be using. Now this can work also. You don't need to go through all those steps that we did. Now you can make sure you go with the grain again. You can use this polyurethane on something that is already finished. So say you just want to bring that shine back and you want to bring put an extra coat of protection on your wood furniture. You can apply this directly to it and it will be okay, and it'll give you that extra protection, but it'll also bring that shine back. But if you need to sand it down, say if there's dings or wood, the wood's damaged, or you want to make it a different color, you can follow our first video, and we'll explain a little bit on how we did all that. Get over there on that backside, bud.
What about this?
Okay. And then when you do that, walk around over here on the other side. I want to bring this camera over for you so you can kind of see what Eli has so far and maybe give you a better idea. So you see that kind of milky substance there? That's going to be okay because when it dries, that's actually going to dry clear. The thing is you just want to try to get as consistent as possible.
It feels super gooey when you do it.
You can see these brush strokes in here. Those will be okay as well because once that self-leveling formula is going to lay all of that flat. But it's not bad. Actually pretty happy with how this turned out. Once it dries, we'll be sure to maybe send a picture or something in the upload link.
Teamwork.
Yep, teamwork makes the dream work. So pretty cool little project here. All right. So Eli, do you want to go ahead and maybe send us off, and we'll continue this? That way we can let these folks go.
Yeah. Hey, if you like spending time with your dad, like and subscribe.
If you like spending time with your dad, like and subscribe. I like that. His father-son time is the best time. So
we need to say something to you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you guys.